welcome back. So I went to Pont City. I went to Pont City Market for two reasons. To get me some lunch. This time I didn't have them put the salad dressing on because last time it wasn't cute to look at. But here is the salad. It's the fall harvest or some type of salad, y'all. That thing was busting last time I got it. Dressing on the side. So the reason for the Pont visit was because of this, y'all. You see my name, Tamika B. Burton, Tamika B. Jordan, Tamika B. Jordan. I had to grab this cute little baby, okay? So if you don't know, Glossier came out with a new puffer bag, and you know I had to get me one, okay? I'm not going to do the full unboxing. I'm going to just show you because I'm going to do an actual reel on my Instagram and TikTok. But I just wanted to show you. Yo, I thought this was so cute. You hear me? Look how cute. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh. Look at the inside, y'all. You see that pink in the inside? Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I will link this down below because she is cute. She giving fall vibes, right? Like a cute catch-all, like a nice clutch. She cute. So I'm going to do a TikTok. Because when I was showcasing this hair bag on my Instagram, Glossier had liked the video. So I'm like, okay, if you like the video, can you send me the bag? So I ended up buying it myself. But I'm going to show them that, yeah, I bought the bag. So, you know, you never know. You never know. So let me put everything back how it was. Because like I said, I'm going to do a unboxing. Y'all, and I also got Fifi. Hold on. I also got Fifi a Halloween costume, y'all. A Halloween, well, she got a Halloween sweater. Let me show you. She's upset with us because we gave her some treats and my daughter put it on and she didn't even eat her treats. Let me show you Fifi. Fifi, let them see you. So here's her little sweater. It's so cute, right? All right, so I'm about to go ahead and eat this salad, y'all, because this thing looks good, y'all. I can't wait. I got to wash my hands first, okay? Let me put y'all right here. Let me wash my hands. Hands, baby. Hold on. Let me go to the bathroom first. All right, y'all. So that was my really quick haul. I will be doing a gratis haul sometime soon. So I may add this with the gratis haul. I'm not sure where I'm gonna add this video at. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands and get ready to eat because your girl is hungry. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl, Miss Tamika. So today I wanted to share what I carry in my content tote to bring these particular items with me when I go out to different coffee shops or if I'm sitting outside. I like to bring all my content stuff with me. So when I'm out and about, I can either vlog, edit videos, post to my Instagram, TikTok, or anything like that. Right now I am carrying my Marc Jacobs tote because to me it's giving fall vibes. It's burgundy color. I think burgundy wine or wine burgundy. She's squishy material. To stop at Comcast to get another remote because if y'all saw my remote, y'all, it's It looked like somebody chewed through the damn remote. I have my cell phone because, like I said, I do like to edit, to upload to my social medias. I do have my little Prada pouch because I have my hair clips in here just in case I want to pin my hair up. As of right now, my hair is already pinned up, but again, just in case, I don't know, I forget to bring a clip or whatever. I do have my mail because I did stop at the mailbox. These here AirPod covers because I replaced trying to add these to my Maxes, but it was kind of hard with my nails, so I'm gonna get my daughter to help me. So since I pulled them out, I do have my AirPod, what is it? My Air Maxes. Wear them or my AirPods. Either one. Decided to edit on my what is it called? iPad. But I forgot to bring the adapter piece to upload the content on. So I couldn't edit while I was outside. So that's why I ended up coming in early because I was going to do this all outside as far as what's in my content bag. But like I said, I forgot to bring the adapter piece because I had the SIM card, but with this here to use an adapter piece in order to upload your footage. I have this here keyboard. My son bought me this a few years ago, but yeah, I've decided to put this here case on because like I said, I was going to be outside. And then I have my pouch for my glasses because again it's really nice and sunny out, so I wanted to bring my sunglasses. Dollar Tree has been keeping up with the whole hand sanitizer thing. And the reason why I say that is because they had the summer version, now they have the fall version. It's the mocha coffee, and then they have another one. So when I'm out and about, I always have to have a hand sanitizer with me. I mean, I have so many, that's why I have to have a hand sanitizer with me. This here case matches the fall colors. And then last but not least, you all, I have my Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. So crazy to see the price of this now versus back when I bought it. Because I want to say when I bought this was under $500. I think now, know if they sell it by itself anymore, but if they do, I know it's well over 500. Like I said before, I am so glad that I was able to enjoy Louis Vuitton the way that I did, y'all, because the prices of those Louis Vuitton bags now is ridiculous. Like seriously, y'all got me because the prices of those monograms, the canvas material is outrageous. Okay, like outrageous because y'all got to remember this canvas is not real leather. So what I have in here is my Touchland hand sanitizer, and as y'all know, I am a cat mom, and I did get this at the Croc store. I just get this not too long ago, and it is a Fenty lip balm. Let me see what's on. Oh, okay, so I have FS on the side. So yeah, I have my Chanel card case. I have my keys. I have my lip. I'm not wearing this, but I have it in here. I have my Pure Mint. I have my AirPods, toilet seat covers, blinged out fancy pill holder, a Forever Mood fragrance. I have my Dior lip, my mini Dior lip gloss. I have my cuticle oil, a lawless lip gloss. Here, NYX lip liner, my Gisou hair perfume, my Prada lipstick. This is the one that I am wearing. This was gifted to me from a brand rep. So yeah, I have that on. What number is this? It says 802. I think it says 802. These here, let me show you. These here are refillable. So once you buy the case all you have to do is buy the refills, and you will never have to buy another case again. Don't sell the refills at our store, but I do know for sure they are online. Oh, and then I have another hair clip. I need to take some of these hair clips out of my bag. I have a hair clip and a scrunchie. I have this here mini Dior lip. Let me take this out the box. And this here is a color red. I don't usually wear red, but I was looking to maybe wear red during a holiday. Oh no, this is not the red one. But this here is a dark color. Y'all know I don't really wear dark colors, but I am trying to come out my comfort zone and start wearing other colors than the nudes and pinks. A ring. But I don't wear this ring only because I wear my Ultra Human ring. I also have a hair clip. Yo, I love my toiletry pouch. Back then when I bought this, they had a really small one. I wish I would have gotten a small one as well because I love my toiletry pouch. Hate that working at Sephora, I can't carry. I don't know, they got this thing where you're only allowed to carry 5 things, including hair clips, brushes, and hand sanitizers. And I'm like, I don't know, I gotta double check that because I'm like, so when did hand sanitizer become part of the lip thing? Lip products, but yeah, let me be quiet. But I just say that to say, y'all, I would love to carry like my pouches, and fill them up like I used to do. I feel like I'm at work more than I'm home. So, and I'm that girl that carries everything but the kitchen sink. And even when I try to downsize, I still carry a lot. Yeah, that was everything that was in my cute little tote, y'all. This tote is so cute, right? Is that Fifi? Yeah, y'all, I'm loving my tote. Real quick, if you're gonna sell my Gucci Marmount, let me go get it just in case anyone is looking to purchase a bag. Here go my Fifi. Oh, here. Hook that up. I forgot to show you. This is what I was carrying my vlogging camera in. It's cute, right? It kind of matches the whole the puffy thing. Oh, hand me that old remote. I wanted to show them what I was talking about. It comes with batteries. Whole puffy thing. I love, yo, when I tell you I love the Gucci wrap, they always take care of me. This is what I was looking to sell you all. If you are interested in purchasing this, just email me at miss_Tamika at yahoo.com. Yeah, I don't wear her. I don't wear her as much as I thought I would. So yeah, I was looking to sell her and maybe replace her with something else. Interested, please email me. Oh, remote, y'all. This is what I was talking about. I don't know what happened, but I don't know. It just kind of like fell apart. But I have had this since I've been living here, and it's almost 5 years. Inside is microfiber, and as you can see, is in excellent condition. I may have worn this bag less than 10 times, if that. Thought this would be something that I would wear a lot, but I don't. You do get a back pocket here in the back, and it do still have the Gucci tag in the back. If you're looking to purchase, just hit me on, just send me an email, and we can, work something out. Keeps her in her dust bag, the actual Gucci dust bag. So yeah, just let me know if you are interested. A store meeting yesterday, and I did get an award for being one of the top sellers. So I am proud of myself. So let me pat myself on the back for that. Sweet greens yesterday, and I got a salad. I may go ahead and eat that. My cell phone did ship you all, so make sure you are subscribed. because I will be doing an unboxing, and I did get a few accessories to go along with my new iPhone. Yeah, that's it at the moment. That is it at the moment. Being said, you all, I will catch y'all in the next vlog. Upload this today. Not today, but I'm gonna try and edit this here video today. But yeah, I just wanted to, like, show you really quick what I carry in my work slash content bag. If y'all interested in purchasing the Gucci, let me know. Again, my email is miss_Tamika at yahoo.com. Mwah. And make sure you don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be what? Notified each week. That's right. Each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.